Hello everyone, welcome to Mentors Buddy. My name is Akhil Gautam. Today we are going to understand another simple question based on the linear equation. Okay, coming first to the question. The question says an apple cost L rupees per kilogram for first 30 kilograms and Q rupees per kilogram for each additional kilograms. If the price paid for 33 kgs of apple is rupees 1167 and for 36 kgs of apple is rupees 1284, and the cost of the first 10 kgs of apple is how much? Now basically in this question the concept which is working is of simultaneous equation. So let's first understand the concept of simultaneous equation. Now according to the concept of simultaneous equation, let's say I am taking two linear equation. One of the equation is, let's say, 4x plus 3y is equals to 18, and another is, let's say, 2x plus 3y is equals to 8, and we need to figure out the value of x and y. So when the two equations are given, the two linear equations are given and two unknown are given, that is x and y, we can solve them simultaneously and get the value, the respective value of x and y. So how I'm going to solve this? I'm going to subtract this equation from this equation. I'll do minus, minus, minus. So solving this, 4x minus 2x will be equals to 2x, and 3y minus 3y is equals to 0 is equals to 18 minus 8 will be equals to 10. So x will be equals to 10 by 2, that will be equals to 5. So the value of x is equals to 5. Now in case we need to get the value of y as well, what I'll do, I'll frame the value of x in either of the equation, either this equation or this equation. Let's say I'm framing the value of x in the first equation. That will become 4 into 5 plus 3y is equals to 18. So 3y is equals to 18 minus 20, that will be equals to minus 2, and y will be equals to minus 2 by 3. No matter, in this case the answer is coming out to be negative and fraction, but that is possible. That will be equals to minus 2 by 3, that is the value of y, and value of x is 5. Now applying the same logic, we have to apply the same logic in the coming question. So coming to the question once again, it says an apple cost L rupees for first 30 kilograms. So for first 30 kgs, the cost was rupees L per kg, and for the number of kgs which is more than 30 kgs, anything which is purchased above 30 kgs will be charged to be as rupees Q per kg. Right, now applying the same logic, it says, question says that if the price paid for 33 kilograms of an apple is rupees 1167, so out of 33 kilogram, first 30 kgs priced must be 30 L rupees. Why so? Because 1 kg is for L rupees, then 30 kgs will be for 30 L rupees, and the remaining 3 kgs will be for 3 Q rupees, and the total cost was rupees 1167. So one of the equation can be formed in this, that will be 30L plus 3Q is equals to 1167. That will be the first equation. Now one another form is also given, that is 36 kilogram of apple is rupees 1284. So by this we can deduce that first 30 kgs must be costing 30L and the remaining 6 kgs must be costing 6Q, and that will be equals to the total cost, that will be equals to 1284. So we can see these two equations are the very same equation between x and y which we had done in the previous slide. So solving this, I'll subtract, that will be minus, minus, minus 30L minus 30L will be equals to 0, and 6Q minus 3Q will be equals to 3Q. So this 3Q is equals to 1284 minus 1167, and that will be equals to 117. Solving this, Q will be equals to 117 by 2, that will be equals to 39. So the value of Q I'm getting here to be as 39. Now framing this value of Q, that is 39, in either of the above equation, we'll get the value of L. So let's say in first equation I'm framing it, that will become 30L plus 3 into 39 is equals to 1167. So this can be written as like 30L is equals to 1167 minus 117. So 30L will be equals to 1050. Solving this, L will be equals to 35. Now the question was, what will be the cost of first 10 kgs of apple? So for first up to 30 kgs the cost was L, so that will be equals to 10 into 35, that will be equals to 350 rupees. So the correct answer should be 350 rupees. Well, it is not mentioned, one of the option is mentioned wrong, so this should be like, correct answer should be like 350 rupees. That's the correct answer.